Ever wondered how the stock market works? It's time to unravel this mystery. Imagine the stock market as a bustling marketplace. Instead of buying and selling goods, people are trading ownership in companies. These pieces of ownership are called stocks or shares. Companies issue these stocks to raise capital for their operations and growth. When you buy a share, you essentially become a part owner of that company. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's talk dividends. These are a portion of a company's earnings that it pays out to its shareholders. Think of it as your share of the company's profits. However, not all companies pay dividends, especially if they're in a growth phase. They might reinvest these profits back into the business instead. The place where these transactions occur is called a stock exchange. It's like a supermarket for stocks, with prices that fluctuate based on supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock, its price goes up. When more people want to sell, the price goes down. But here's a crucial point to remember. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a platform for long-term wealth building. It's all about buying shares in companies you believe will grow over time. A key strategy for mitigating risk in the stock market is diversification. This means spreading your investments across various industries and companies. The goal is to balance potential losses in one area with gains in another. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. And remember, knowledge is your greatest asset. The more you understand about the stock market, the better your chances of making informed investment decisions. Now, you have the basics to start your journey in the stock market. Remember, informed decisions lead to better investments. Ready to dive deeper into the stock market? Crafting a winning investment strategy is your next step. In the world of investing, having clear financial goals is paramount. It's like setting the destination on your wealth-building journey. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my investments? It could be a down payment for a house, funding your startup, or perhaps securing a comfortable retirement. Your goals will shape your investing approach, determining how much risk you're willing to take and the types of assets you'll invest in. Now let's talk about investment strategies. Broadly speaking, there are two main approaches: passive and active investing. Passive investing is like setting cruise control on your wealth vehicle. You invest in a diverse range of assets, typically through index funds or exchange-traded funds, and let the market do its thing. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience but offers lower fees and less stress. On the other hand, active investing is more hands-on. Think of it as being in the driver's seat, making regular adjustments based on market conditions. Active investors often buy and sell individual stocks or bonds, aiming to outperform the market. This approach requires more time, knowledge, and often comes with higher fees. Risk assessment is another crucial part of your investment strategy. Remember, all investments come with a degree of risk. Your job is to understand these risks and manage them effectively. This could mean diversifying your portfolio, regularly reviewing your investments, or setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Finally, let's touch on emotions. Investing can be a roller coaster ride with exhilarating highs and stomach-churning lows. It's crucial to keep your emotions in check and avoid making impulsive decisions. Stick to your strategy, stay disciplined, and remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Armed with a solid investment strategy, you're one step closer to financial success in the stock market. Want to know how to create a killer business plan? Let's dive right in. A business plan is like a roadmap, guiding you through the journey of starting and growing your business. It's a tool that helps you attract investors, secure loans, and most importantly, refine your business idea. First off, your business plan should start with an executive summary. This is your elevator pitch, the snapshot of your business that encapsulates its mission, structure, and unique selling proposition. Keep it concise and compelling, making sure to highlight why your business is a game changer. Next, delve into your company description. Here, detail what your business does, who it serves, and why it's uniquely positioned to succeed. This is where you paint a vivid picture of your business landscape. Now let's talk about the market analysis. This is where you show that you've done your homework. Detail your industry outlook, target market, and competitor analysis. Show that you understand the market trends, customer needs, and competitive landscape. After that, it's time for organization and management. Outline your business structure, identify your team, and describe their roles. Remember, investors invest in people as much as they do in ideas, so highlight your team's strengths and expertise. Then we move on to a crucial part, your service or product line. Describe what you're selling or what service you're offering. Explain how it benefits your customers and how it stands out in the market. The marketing and sales strategy section is where you lay out your plan of action. How will you attract and retain customers? What is your sales process? Craft a convincing strategy that aligns with your business goals. Last but not least, the financial projections. This is arguably the most important part of your business plan. Be realistic and provide a clear picture of your business's financial outlook. Show your income, cash flow, and balance sheet forecasts, along with a break-even analysis. With a killer business plan in hand, you're ready to convince any investor or lender about the potential of your business. Scene script. Are you a college student struggling with budgeting? Worry not, we've got you covered. Let's kick off with a reality check. College life, for all its excitement, can be a financial puzzle. From tuition fees to living expenses and maintaining a social life, it's a whirlwind of numbers that can leave you feeling overwhelmed. And that's where budgeting comes in. It's not just about keeping track of your expenses, it's about taking control of your financial life and paving the way for a secure future. So, how do you manage your tuition fees? The key is to plan ahead. Break down your tuition into manageable chunks and align them with your income or savings. If you're relying on student loans, ensure you understand the repayment terms. It's all about being proactive and not letting the numbers catch you off guard. Next, let's talk living expenses. This includes everything from rent and utilities to groceries and personal care. A good strategy is to prioritize your needs over your wants. Invest in a meal plan or learn to cook at home. Consider sharing an apartment with roommates to split the rent. Small changes like these can make a significant difference in your budget. But what about your social life? College is not just about studies. It's about making memories, and that often comes with a price tag. The trick is to balance. Opt for affordable entertainment options. Explore student discounts. Plan ahead for special occasions. Remember, it's okay to say no sometimes. Now let's not forget about savings. Even a small amount set aside regularly can add up over time. It's your safety net, your rainy day fund. It's what lets you dream big without worrying about the financial fallout. And finally, how do you stretch your budget without sacrificing fun? The answer is creativity. Get inventive with low-cost activities. Organize potlucks instead of eating out. Use public transportation or cycle instead of taxis. Every penny saved is a penny earned. With these budgeting tips, you're all set to enjoy your college years without financial stress. Well, you've made it. Now, you're equipped with the basics of stock market investing, the know-how to create a killer business plan, and the wisdom to budget like a pro. Isn't it amazing how much ground we've covered? You've not only learned the ropes of stock market investing, but you've also got the blueprint to craft a winning business plan. And let's not forget, you're now armed with practical budgeting tips, tailor-made for the college life experience. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? We started off by unlocking the secrets of stock market investing. We dove into market basics, charted out a strategy, and explored the world of wealth-building opportunities. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience under your belt, remember that informed decisions and continuous learning are your keys to maximizing returns. Next, we ventured into the realm of entrepreneurship. We broke down the process of creating a rock-solid business plan step by step. From the executive summary to financial projections, every section counts. And remember, a good plan is more than just a document. It's your vision, your roadmap to success. So dream big, and then plan meticulously to turn those dreams into reality. And finally, we navigated the challenging world of student finances. We explored saving hacks, part-time job strategies, and tips to stretch that student budget without sacrificing the fun. Remember, mastering your finances during your college years is not just about surviving, it's about thriving and laying the groundwork for financial freedom in the future. In the grand scheme of things, this is just the beginning. The world of business and finance is vast and ever-changing. The tools and knowledge we've shared today are fundamental, but remember, the key to financial success is continuous learning and adaptation. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. And as you do, you'll find yourself not just surviving, but thriving in the real world of business and finance. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with a single step. Make that step today and unlock a world of opportunities